Hello and welcome back. Are you suffering from headaches? Do you skip important meetings and gatherings because of the headaches? Do you feel like as though someone is pressing or squeezing on the front, back, or both sides of your head? Is it a dull, aching, constant pain, or is it a sharp, throbbing, pulsating pain in your head at times? Learn in detail what's it all about and when to really worry about your headaches and when to seek emergency help with headaches. Watch the entire video. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Let's get started. A headache is a common health issue characterized by pain or discomfort in your head, scalp or neck. It can vary in intensity and duration, ranging from mild and temporary to severe and chronic. Headaches can also have causes that are not due to underlying diseases. Examples include lack of sleep, incorrect eyeglass prescriptions, stress, loud noise exposure, tight headwear, muscle tension, dehydration, poor posture, fatigue, certain foods, hormonal changes, ear infections, and sometimes can be due to an underlying health condition. Anyone can have headaches, including children, adolescents, and adults. About 96% of people experience a headache at least once in their life. About 40% of people across the world have tension type headaches and about 10% have migraine headaches. Most headaches are not caused by serious problems or health conditions. However, sometimes headache is a sign that something is wrong. Headaches are common. Nearly everyone experiences once every now and then. While headache can be uncomfortable, painful and even debilitating, usually you don't have to worry about them. If you experience regular recurring headaches, you may have what's known as chronic daily headache. This applies to people who experience headaches at least 15 days each month. A variety of headache types can become chronic daily headaches, including cluster headaches, tension headaches, and migraines. Many people who experience chronic daily headaches also deal with psychiatric issues like anxiety or depression. In that case, treating the underlying anxiety or depression can go a long way towards improving headaches. A headache that wakes you up from sleep is known as a hypnic headache. It's often also referred to as an alarm clock headache. Hypnic headaches tend to happen at the same time several nights a week. This type of headache can be described as dull, stabbing, throbbing, burning, and pulsating. Hypnic headaches tend to be more common in those over age 50 and affect more women than men. Overall, they are a rare type of headache. Other headache symptoms you should worry about is a headache that typically causes pain in your head, face, or neck areas. Get urgent medical attention if you have severe, unusual pain or other signs and symptoms. Your headache may be a sign of an underlying illness or health condition. Your headache may be serious if you have sudden, very intense headache called the thunderclap headache, or you have severe or sharp headache for the first time, a stiff neck and fever, a fever higher than 102 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, nausea and vomiting, fainting, dizziness or loss of balance, pain that wakes you up from sleep, pain that gets worse when you change position, persistent face tingling and auras, confusion or difficulty understanding speech, droopiness on one side of your face, weakness on one side of your body, slurred or garbled speech, difficulty walking, hearing problems, pain that begins after coughing, sneezing or any type of exertion, constant pain in the same area of your head, seizures, unexplained weight loss, swelling on your face or head, a bump or injury on your head, or an animal bite anywhere on your body. Serious life-threatening illnesses that cause headaches and need urgent attention include 1. Stroke. Stroke is preventable and treatable. Prompt medical attention is important for successful treatment. Do not drive if you have stroke symptoms. 2. Concussion. If you experience a trauma to the head, you may have a concussion or a mild brain injury. Get immediate medical help if you have symptoms of a concussion after a fall or a blow to the head. Signs of concussion include Headache, dizziness, nausea or vomiting, blurred vision or double vision, drowsiness, feeling sluggish, balance problems, or slowed reaction time. 3 is the heat stroke. Heat stroke is the most serious heat related illness. It occurs when the body can no longer control its temperature. The body's temperature rises rapidly, the sweating mechanism fails, and the body is unable to cool down. Heat stroke is a life-threatening condition that happens when your body's temperature rises above 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. It is usually the result of overexertion in hot, humid conditions. Symptoms can include confusion, seizures, or loss of consciousness. Untreated heat stroke can lead to organ failure, coma, or even death. Look for these warning signs of heat strokes that include headaches, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, muscle cramps, dry skin, no sweating, pale or red skin, difficulty walking, and fainting or seizures. If you suspect heat stroke, move into a shade or an air-conditioned space. Cool down by drinking cool water, putting on wet clothes, or getting into cold water. 3 is preeclampsia. Headaches in the third trimester of pregnancy can be a symptom of preeclampsia. This health complication causes high blood pressure. It can lead to liver and kidney damage, brain injury, and other serious problems. Preeclampsia usually begins after week 20 of pregnancy. This blood pressure condition happens up to 8% of the pregnant women who may be otherwise healthy. It is a leading cause of death and illness in mothers and newborn babies. Treatment for serious headache depends on the underlying cause. You may need to see a neurologist who is a brain and nervous system specialist. Your doctor may recommend several tests and scans to help diagnose the cause, such as medical history and physical exam, eye exam, ear exam, blood test, spinal fluid test, CT scan and or MRI scan. You may need intravenous fluids through a needle to treat conditions like severe dehydration and heat stroke. Your doctor may prescribe daily medications to treat a health condition like high blood pressure. A serious infection may be treated with antibiotics or antiviral medications. There are several types of headaches, each with its own characteristics and triggers. Common types include tension headaches, which often feel like a tight band around the head, migraines, which are often accompanied by nausea, sensitivity to light and sound, and visual disturbances, and cluster headaches, which are intense and occur in cyclical patterns. Treatment for headaches depend on the type and cause. It may include over-the-counter pain relievers, prescription medications, lifestyle changes, stress management techniques, and avoiding triggers. In some cases, headaches may be a symptom of more serious condition, so it is important to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. There are more than 150 types of headaches. They fall into two main categories, the primary and the secondary. Primary headaches are the dysfunction or overactivity of pain-sensitive features in your head which cause primary headaches. They are not a symptom of or caused by an underlying medical condition. Some people may have genes that make them more likely to develop primary headaches. Types of primary headaches include 1. Tension type headaches, which is the most common type of headache. 2. Migraine headaches. 3. is the cluster headaches. 4. is new daily persistent headaches, also known as NDPH. Some primary headaches can be triggered by lifestyle factors or situations like alcohol, particularly red wine. Certain foods such as the processed meats that contain nitrates, also called as the food triggered headaches. Consuming nicotine is known as the nicotine headaches. Changes in sleep or lack of sleep, poor posture, physical activity such as exercise gives you exertion headaches. Skipped meals gives you hunger headaches. Coughing, sneezing, blowing your nose, straining such as when you have a bowel movement, or laughing or crying vigorously, these are the primary cough headaches. Primary headaches typically are not dangerous They can be very painful and disrupt your day-to-day life. Secondary headaches. An underlying medical condition causes secondary headaches. They are considered a symptom or a sign of a condition. Types of secondary headaches that are not necessarily dangerous and resolve once the underlying condition is treated include dehydration headache, sinus headache, and medication overuse headaches. Types of secondary headaches that can be sign of a serious or potentially life-threatening condition include 1. Spinal headaches. Spinal headaches are intense headaches that occur when spinal fluid leaks out of the membrane covering the spinal cord, usually after a spinal tap. Most spinal headaches can be treated at home, but prolonged untreated spinal headaches can cause life-threatening complications including subdural hematoma and seizures. 2 is the thunderclap headaches. A thunderclap headache is an extremely painful headache that comes on suddenly like a clap of thunder. This type of headache reaches its most intense pain within 1 minute and lasts at least 5 minutes. While thunderclap headaches can sometimes be harmless, it is important to seek medical attention. They can be a sign of head injury, brain bleed, reversible cerebral vasoconstriction syndrome, or a sudden severe rise in blood pressure. Migraine is a type of primary headache disorder. A migraine is a common neurological condition that causes a variety of symptoms, most notably a throbbing headache on one side of your head. Migraines often get worse with physical activity, lights, sounds, or smells. They usually last 4 hours to even days. Headaches results from signals interacting among your brain, blood vessels, and the surrounding nerves. During a headache, multiple mechanisms activate specific nerves that affect muscles and blood vessels. These nerves send pain signals to your brain, causing a headache. Headaches tend to run in families, especially migraines. Children who have migraines usually have at least one biological parent who also experiences them. In fact, kids whose parents have migraines are up to 4 times more likely to develop them. If you get frequent tension type headaches, try to identify triggers so you can avoid them. Don't get overtired or skip meals. Learn relaxation techniques. Yoga is particularly helpful because it can relax both your mind and neck muscles. If you clench your jaw or grind your teeth at night, a bite plate may help. Hijama is also really beneficial for headaches, for primary headaches. It can also help you with anxiety and depression issues. Many studies have been conducted by doctors, various study groups, and medical students to determine the efficiency of cupping treatment for headache relief. These researchers have concluded that hijama therapy has a very beneficial and positive effect on chronic aches. Hence my recommendation, hijama. So that's it for this video. Stay happy and healthy until my next video. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.